Let's draw a rocket ship.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a blank piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. And first I wanna thank Finley for submitting this drawing idea. Let's draw our rocket ship. In the center of our paper, we're gonna start off by drawing a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. I'm gonna draw mine right here. And I'm gonna give you guys a chance to draw in your rectangle. If you ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even replay it once you're done. This rectangle is gonna be the main part of our rocket ship. On top of our rocket ship, we are gonna add a triangle. And a triangle comes to a point, just like this. So we're gonna draw one line going up and another line meeting on the other side. I'll give you guys a chance to add a new triangle. Next, we're gonna add the engines at the bottom of our rocket ship that are gonna propel our rocket ship up. You guys are gonna see, I like to draw the engines on my rocket ships almost like triangles. I'm gonna put at the base of our rocket ship 2 engines. This is how I like to draw them. And now I'll give you guys a chance to add in your engines on your rocket ship. Now we're gonna add in wings on the side of our rocket ship. I like to draw my wings as curves that come out from the side of our rocket ship. So I draw one line down and then I draw another line and I curve it down like this. So I'll do the other side. And then you guys can fill in the wings on your rocket ship. This is going really well, you guys. I am so excited to see what you guys come up with. Now we're gonna add in 2 lines to decorate our rocket ship. The first one is gonna go on the bottom right here. And my second line is gonna go on the top. And you'll see when we color that we can make the inside of those lines different colors. So I think if you're making a rocket ship, you wanna add a window so the people living on your rocket ship can see out into outer space. So I'm gonna draw the window on my rocket ship as a circle. So a circle right in the middle of our rocket ship that is nice and round. And then on the inside of my circle, I'm gonna add a smaller circle. And then what that does is it creates a frame around our circle that makes it look more like a real window the astronauts built. Now let's add in some flames coming out of our engines. So when a rocket ship is shooting off into outer space, there's fire that comes out of the engines. I'm gonna make my flames look kind of like this. We're gonna have that come out right at the bottom. So this is a nice, easy way to draw fire. And then on the inside, you just make a smaller version of it. So we're gonna draw the outside of our flames, and then we're gonna draw the inside of our flames. So you guys can just watch and see how I do it, and then I'll give you guys a chance to add in your flames as well. We are getting really close now. It's time to add in a few more details on our rocket ship. I'm gonna add in 3 dots on the bottom of our rocket ship and 3 dots towards the top. I'm doing this because I feel like rocket ships have buttons all over them, and we're gonna add some buttons down here and up there. You guys can add these wherever you want. And now for my favorite part of the video, which is coloring inside the lines. But before we do that, I want to share with you guys the word of the day. Today's word is discipline. Discipline means staying focused and sticking to a plan. And do you want to know who is very disciplined? Astronauts. They go through years of school and training to show that they are disciplined enough to fly a rocket ship. Being disciplined really pays off. Now we get to color inside our rocket ship. Today, what I wanna do is I want the tip of my rocket ship to be bright red. So I'm gonna go in and start filling in the top of my rocket ship. Just that triangle part that we were working on earlier. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna fill in that tip. You know, I also think that I'm gonna want the wings of my rocket ship to also be red. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna add those in too. And then I want the engines on my rocket ship to also be red. So I'm gonna add red to those. Rocket ships are usually made out of metal, and metal is often like a silver gray color. So the body of my rocket ship is going to be light gray. But again, you could pick any color, and I think blue would also be a really good rocket ship color too. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna fill in the main part of my rocket ship with gray. For the window of my rocket ship, I'm gonna make the outside of it dark blue. I'm gonna make the inside of my window light blue, like this. And there you have it, we have a window on our rocket ship. And now, just to decorate a little bit more, I'm gonna pick a different color. I'm gonna use yellow to fill in the rest of our rocket ship. So I'm gonna do yellow up here inside of this part, and I'm gonna do yellow on the part underneath. And now it's time to color in the flames on our rocket ship. I'm gonna take my yellow that I was just using, and I'm gonna fill in the middle of my flames, just like this. And orange on the outside. Because if you ever look at something like a bonfire, there's actually a lot of different shades. It's not just orange. You'll find light yellows, you'll find dark reds. Sometimes you even find purple and a little bit of blue inside a fire when it gets really hot. So for today, I'm gonna do orange and I'm gonna do yellow. Wow, you guys, this rocket ship has really come together. I am so proud of what you were able to accomplish with me today. Today's featured artist is Aiden. Didn't he do such an amazing job drawing his bluey? Keep up the great work, Aiden. I can't wait to see what you draw next. If you want to become our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination. So keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on our next artsy adventure.